Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be sharing the horoscope predictions for Sagittarius for the week of May 22nd to May 28th, 2023. Sagittarius individuals seem to have luck on their side these days. Nothing seems to go wrong for you. Even when you stumble, you always find the right escape route to avoid trouble. Use your good fortune to lend a helping hand to those around you. Be generous and eager to assist. The only setback may be some projects that are still stuck. Patience is key, not everything can be resolved in the short term. Let's dive into the details. Love. Let's begin with love, dear Sagittarius. These tense situations are not beneficial for love. Singles may be too focused on work, unwilling to waste time searching for their soulmate. When love approaches your heart, you may not be ready to embrace it. There may be small disagreements within the family. Your lucky numbers are 54 and 68. Career. Moving on to your career. Dear Sagittarius, the sun looms over you, slowing down your progress with procrastination, excessive obstacles, and accumulated fatigue. Don't be discouraged, continue to dedicate yourself, despite the unexpected setbacks, and everything will turn out for the best. Take one problem at a time, without rushing. Well done, things take time. However, be prepared to make important and potentially risky choices. You won't move forward by following the easiest path. General predictions. Dear Sagittarius, the horoscope for the week of May 22nd to May 28th brings you the enormous reservoir of energy from Mars. However, it collides with a general situation that may not be what you desire. How can you make the most of this card in your hand? Set aside competitiveness and selfishness, and focus on projects that require a broader, long-term vision. Use this new energy to make well-thought-out plans that you can accomplish by giving yourself the necessary time, whether a few months or a year. That concludes the horoscope predictions for Sagittarius this week. Remember, these forecasts are meant to inspire and guide you. Embrace the positive energies brought by Mars, even if they encounter a work situation that may not meet your expectations. Let go and set aside competitiveness and selfishness. By focusing on your abilities, you'll gain a broader perspective on problems and find accessible solutions. Embrace change and be open to exploring new horizons, both in your career and love life. From next Friday, Jupiter will enter your sign, bringing changes, whether for better or worse. Embrace the adventure and exploration, dear Sagittarius, and be ready to navigate through challenges with optimism.